Hi team and welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we'll understand the partner team section in the partner panel. The partner team feature allows you to add your team members to the partner panel and assign them specific roles and permissions. Each team member can use the email ID to log in, access the partner panel, and manage their daily tasks based on the permissions you provide. Now let me quickly show you how to create a team member. To begin with, click on Create User, enter the name, email ID of a team member. You can also enter the phone number. Next, we need to choose the role from the selected list. We need to create a password for our team member and choose a profile icon. Once all the details are filled, we can simply click on Create Member. Now let's move on to the role section. Here you will see all the roles that have already been created. If you want to create a new role, simply click on Create Role. Give the role a name, a description, and then you can provide read access, write access, or the delete access depending upon the requirements of the role. On the top, we'll see the permissions which are available for your partner panel, and if we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see the permissions for the customer account. Once all the permissions are set, we can click on Create Role and your role will be created. And that's it. That is how simple it is to create roles and add team members to your partner panel. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.